In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cloudflare plugins on Netlify. By the end, you'll have the Cloudflare Cache Purge plugin enabled for your Netlify project so your site serves fresh content right after each successful deploy. First, open your browser and go to netlify.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that owns the site you want to update. If you manage multiple teams or organizations, verify you're in the right workspace so the project you need is visible. From the main dashboard, click on Projects. This takes you to a list of all the sites and apps you've deployed to Netlify. If the project you're looking for doesn't appear at the top, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate it. Next, select the project you want and click into it. You'll land on that project's overview page where you can see recent deploys, domains, and other key details. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct project, especially if you maintain multiple environments like staging and production. Now head into project configuration. This is where you control site-level settings, build behavior, and integrations. The exact label may appear as configuration or settings depending on your view, but you're looking for the place where build and deploy options live. Inside configuration, find and click Build Plugins. Build plugins extend what Netlify does during your build, so they're perfect for automations like cache purging. If you've never used plugins before, consider them add-ons that run at specific points in your build pipeline without you needing to maintain extra scripts. In the plugins area, look for Cloudflare Cache Purge. This plugin is designed to automatically clear cached content on Cloudflare after a successful deploy from Netlify. Enabling it helps prevent visitors from seeing stale versions of your pages or assets when you publish updates. Click Enable. If Netlify prompts you to review permissions or confirm the action, proceed as indicated. Depending on your setup, you may also see guidance about connecting credentials or configuring defaults. Follow the on-screen hints in your environment if they appear. Once enabled, the plugin becomes part of your build process. After each successful deploy, it will trigger a cache purge on Cloudflare, so new content becomes visible faster. You can monitor your next deploy's logs to see confirmation that the plugin ran. If you ever need to pause or remove it, return to the same Build Plugin section and adjust as needed. And remember, consistent naming and clear environments help ensure you enable it on the correct project every time. That's it. You've enabled the Cloudflare Cache Purge plugin on Netlify, keeping your site updates fast and reliable.